Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by making sure Chrome is ready. Update Chrome to the latest stable release so lens features are supported. Next, sign into your Google account to preserve settings across devices. Once signed in, type Chrome//flags into the address bar and enable the flag labeled Lens Region Search. This toggles experimental lens integration. Click Relaunch to apply changes. Doing this first avoids permission and feature gaps later. Now your browser can accept the lens integration. Once Chrome relaunched, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for the official search with Google Lens extension or Google's image search tool. Click Add to Chrome and confirm the permissions it requests. These let Lens analyze images and use the context menu. After installation, pin the extension to your toolbar for quick access. Open the extension's options to grant site access and enable context menu items. Make sure those toggles are on. Otherwise, Lens won't appear when you right-click images. To use Lens, right-click any image or drag-select a region on a page and choose Search Image with Google Lens from the context menu. You can also click the toolbar icon to open Lens in a side panel and refine the selection. Lens will analyze visual content and return results, shopping links, or translations. If Lens does not appear, make sure Chrome is updated, revisit Chrome//flags to re-enable the Lens flag, and temporarily disable other extensions that alter the context menu. These steps fix most conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.